Hi students, welcome to all. In this session, we are going to learn the topic Wheatstone Bridge. An important application of Kirchhoff rules is the Wheatstone Bridge. It is used to compare resistance and also helps in determining the unknown resistance in electrical network. Construction. The bridge consists of four resistors R1, R2, R3 and R4. In your textbook, the four resistors are P, Q, R and S. Here we take R1, R2, R3 and R4. The battery is connected between the points A and C. A galvanometer G is connected between the points B and D. The current through the galvanometer is Ig and its resistance is G. Working. Applying Kirchhoff's current rule to junction B, I1 minus Ig minus I3 equal to 0. Applying Kirchhoff's current rule to junction D, I2 plus Ig minus I4 equal to 0. When the points B and D are at the same potential, the bridge is said to be balanced as there is no potential difference between B and D. So, no current flows through galvanometer, Ig equal to 0. So, substituting Ig equal to 0 in equation 1 and 2, I1 equal to I3, I2 equal to I4. Then Kirchhoff's loop rule. Applying Kirchhoff's loop rule, ABDA minus I1 R1 plus 0 plus I2 R2 equal to 0. Therefore I1 R1 equal to I2 R2. That is I1 divided by I2 equal to R2 divided by R1. The equation number 3. For loop CBDC, I4 R4 plus 0 minus I3 R3 equal to 0. Therefore I4 R4 equal to I3 R3. From 1 and 2 above equations become I2 R4 equal to I1 R3. That is I1 divided by I2 equal to R4 divided by R3. The equation number 4. From 3 and 4 we get R2 divided by R1 equal to R4 divided by R3. The equation number 5. Equation 5 shows balanced conditions for resistance. The resistance are arranged in such a way the current to galvanometer. This is the bridge balance conditions. Only under this condition galvanometer shows null deflection. Suppose we know the values of two adjacent resistance, the other two resistance can be compared. If three of the resistance are known, the value of unknown resistance can be determined. Use Wheatstone bridge and balanced condition is used to determine value of an unknown resistance in circuit. R4 equal to R3 into R2 divided by R1. Okay students, I hope you all are understand this. Prepare well. Thank you.